Hello students, third exercise before up to 11 problems completed. Now 12th problem. Bharati borrows an amount of 12,500 at 12% rate of interest per annum for 3 years at the simple interest means interest, and Madhuri borrows the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Means who pays more interest and by how much? Answer: Bharati borrows the sum principal equal to 12,500, rate of interest R equal to 12%, time equal 3 years, interest or simple interest nothing but interest equal to PTR by 100. So how much principal? 12,500 into 12 into 3, 12 years rate of percent, 3 years by 100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. 125 into here 12 3s 36. 125 into 36 we'll get 4,500. This is interest 4,500. After 3 years, she has to pay A1 equal means amount equal to principal plus interest. How much principal? 12,500 plus interest 4,500. These two add will get 17,000. This is amount, total amount. A1 equal to 17,000. Madhuri has to pay the amount on compound interest. Means compound interest A2 equal formula P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. Here what is principal? 12,500 into 1 plus R equal to 10% by 100 whole N equal to how many years? 3 years whole cube. Next 12,500 into here 1 into 100 100 100 plus 10 110 110 by 100 whole cube. Here whole cube means write 3 times 12,500 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. Here see cancellation, 2 zeros get cancelled. Here 1 0 1 0, again 1 0 1 0, here 1 0 1 0, total 125 into 11 into 11 into 11 by 10. Here by 10 is there, one digit after keep decimal, total do product will get 16,637.5. This is A2. Again the two difference, do subtraction. Here observe, A1 is greater than A2. Means A1 minus A2 equal 17,000 minus 16,637.5. 362.5. 362 rupees 50 paise. What is this? So Bharati has to pay how much? 362.5 more than Madhuri. 362.5 more than Madhuri. This is answer. 13th question. Machinery worth 10,000 rupees depreciated by 5%. Find its value after 1 year. Answer: the value of machinery after 1 year on 5% depreciation means x into 1 minus r by 100 whole power n. Here because x equal to 10,000, x equal to 10,000, n equal to 1, r equal to 5%. N nothing but time. Here 10,000 into 1 minus 5 by 100 whole power 1. 10,000. Here 1 into 100, 100. 100 minus 5. 95 by 100 whole power 1. Nothing but 10,000 into 95 by 100. Here two zeros get cancelled. 95 into 100 will get 9,500 rupees. This is answer. 14th question. Find the population of the city after 2 years which is at present 12 lakh if the rate of increase in 4%. Here present population of a city 12 lakh. If its population increase at the rate of 4%, then the population after 2 years. Population after 2 years. Formula x into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. In this 12 lakh, x equal to 12 lakh, 1 plus r means 4 by 100, n means 2 years whole square. Here 12 lakh into here 1 into 100, 100 plus 4, 104 by 100 whole square. Whole square means 2 times, right? 12 lakh into 104 by 100 into 104 by 100. Here 2 zeros, total 4 zeros, 2, 4 zeros. Total 120 into 104 into 104. Do product, will get 1297920. So what is this? Population. This is answer. 15th question. Calculate compounded interest on 1000 rupees over a period of 1 year at 10% per annum if interest is compounded quarterly. Answer. If the interest is compounded quarterly, then 4 time periods will be there in 1 year. N equal 4 means time equal 4 years, means 4 quarters, like compound interest on 1000 rupees over a period of 1 year at rate of interest 10% per annum. Annum means 1 year. Amount equal formula P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Here P means how much? 1000. N equal to 4. R equal to 10 by 4. Do cancellation. 2 5s, 2 2s, 5 by 2%. Now amount equal to P into formula 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. For that, principal 1000 into 1 plus 5 by 2 by 100 whole power 4. 1000 into 1 plus 5 by 2. 2 is there. 2 and denominator. 2 into 100. 200 whole power 4. Next 1000 into here 1 into 200. 200 plus 5. 205 by 200 whole power 4. 1000 into 4 whole power 4 means 4 times, right? 205 by 200 into 205 by 200 into 205 by 200 into 205 by 200. Here 2 zeros and 1 0 get cancelled. Total 205 into 205 into 205 into 205. 4 times by denominator 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16. In 16, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. After do cancellation, we'll get 1103.81 rupees. What is this amount? A equal to 1103.81 rupees. Now CI for 1 year means compound interest 1 year. 1103.81 minus 1000. So we'll get 103.81 rupees. What is this? Compound interest for 1 year. This is answer. Now this 5th chapter comparing quantities using proportion completed. Thanks for watching, students. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. You get more updates. Next class we will discuss 6th chapter square roots and cube roots.